Hi there everybody, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, and this is video number 7, the last video in our Create the Classic Arcade Game Pong using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Hopefully you've enjoyed the last 6 videos and have learned something new, but please subscribe to our channel for the latest tutorials. Thank you. Why hello there everybody and welcome back. This is video 7 with a slight adjustment to a bit of the code to make the game a little bit more playable. So one thing actually when I was actually coding the game was you couldn't actually win against the robot player. So what I've done is actually made some adjustments to the code to actually give the player, or you as the player, more of a chance against the actual robot or the robot player. So what I've done within the actual code, if we go down to our update function, is going to the part where we got robot player.y equals gameball.y. Now what I had originally was just equaling the gameball y plus adding the half the height of the player, which meant that the robot always hit the ball. And obviously it's not a little bit fair for you as the player if you're playing against something that you can't actually beat. So what I've actually done is where we've got robotplayer.y equals gameball.y, I've actually put in there now times 0.4 plus 75, which is half the height of the bat. So now you have a game that's actually slightly a little bit better in regards to you can actually beat the robot player, which means the bat of the robot player just moves a little bit slower than before. As you can see, I actually went and scored there. And you can obviously, you know, to mess with the game or to make it even faster would be to change the VY and the VX of the actual ball. So I thought I'd give you that extra tip to sort of make your game more playable. As you can see there is some glitches with the game because obviously, you know, sometimes the ball will get stuck actually in the bat. Anyway, that's an additional video for you. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the series, and I'll be coming back and doing some more videos. Have an awesome day and don't forget to subscribe to the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.